Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th Paper 2 Subject Intelligence Test. So in this video we are going to see the mock question paper test number 4's answers. So instructions is there for question number 26 to 30. Select the term which replaces the question mark in each of the following question. So question number 26 is there: residence, home, clever. So for this one, this is a synonyms, means residence and the home. So like this one, for the clever, there is a intelligence, means intelligent means option number 3 is a correct one. Then question number 27, jaundice, water, elephantiasis and question mark. So jaundice is spreading through the water. So like this one, elephantiasis is spread through the insect, mostly the mosquito. So option number 4 is the correct. Then question number 28. So this figure and this figures is rotating 90 degree in a clockwise. So same we will rotate this figure also in 90 degree, means this opening will be in these directions. Okay, so this is having the option number 2 and the 4. So 3 and 1 cannot be. So then this half side shaded will be toward the right side after this rotating. So this is given in here, and here the diagonal is there. So that's why option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 29, 4, 24, 7 and question mark. Here 4 square is a 16 and plus 4 multiplied by 2 means that is a 8. So 16 plus 8 we are getting 24. Like this one, 7 square is a 49 and plus multiply by 2, this 7 means that is a 14. So after this additions we are getting the answer 63. So 63 means option number 1. Then question number 30, 120, 153, 78 and the question mark. So these are the triangular numbers. So means after the 78 there is a 91 also, but 91 means after the here also the two triangular numbers are in between this one. So again after the 78 we have to hide or omit one triangular number, means that is a 91, and after the 91 means that is a 14th triangular number, that is a 105. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Then instructions for question number 31 and 32. Select the mirror images of the question. So for the question number 31, so mirror is in vertical position. So for this one the correct answer is option number 3. And for question number 32, the answer is option number 1. Then instruction question number 33 and 34. So water reflections for the following questions we have to find out. So for question number 33, so answer is option number 3, and for question number 34, answer is option number 4. Question number 35, sun is one of the billion star in the universe. Which letter occurs 5 times in this sentence? So in this one, if you students count all the letters, so you will get the I letter can be comes 5 times. So I means option number 4 is correct. Now I is here 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So 5 times comes letter is I, means option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 36, how many consonants are there in a word? So here consonants are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10, and 10 is given in option number 2. Then question number 37, so in this series how many times a composite number is immediately followed by a prime number which is itself is immediately followed by a triangular number? So this composite number 9 is followed by this triangular number, and this triangular number is followed by this triangular number. This is a 6. So this 7 6 9 7 6, this one group is there. Like this one, so here 8 is a composite number, then prime number and then triangular number. So this one, then again this composite number, prime number and the triangular number, means 651. Then this 623 also, this 3 is also the triangular number, so this one also the group. Then this triangular number 3 and this prime number and this composite number, means composite number, then prime number, and then triangular number. So this sequence we have to follow. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there are the 5, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 38. In alphabet, what is the place to the letter 4th to the right of the letter 18th from the left end? So from the left end, this information is different one. Then from the letter 4th to the left to the letter 16 from the right end. So again, this is the different ones. Means these are the different two statements, but interlinking is very difficult. Means that is a no any interlinking. But the letter here, the letter 16 from the right end, that is the mention. Means from the letter 4th to the left of the letter 16 from the right end. So means now in this series from the right end 16th. So this 16th means J. Then what is the place of the letter 4th to the right of the letter 18th from the left end? Now from the left end 18th. Now 18th is the R. So from this one, 4th letter to the right, 1 2 and 3 and 4. So 4th is this one. So 4th letter to the right of the letter 18th from the this one. Okay, so this is a N is came. Now from the left end. So from the left end, this is a 14th. Okay, then from the left end, then from the letter 4th to the left of this one. So from this one, again left means there is a 1 2 and 3 and the 4th, means that is a J comes. So from the 4th to the left of this letter 16 from the right end, means 16 from the right end, means that is the same comes here, means the information 2 times comes. So in a question, so this information is the same described from that from this one, means that is a 16th letter is where to search, that is the meaning. Means that is a here also from this 4th 16 comes, and the from the right hand also the directly 16 comes. So that's why the answer is the 16th. So the alphabet having the place 16. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then instruction for question number 39 to 42. Select the term in each of the following series. Now here question number 39, 2, 10, 30, 68 and then question mark. So here if you find out in the relations, so here 1 plus 1 cube means 1 cube also 1 and 1 here. So 1 plus 1, that is we are getting the 2. So here like this one, 2 plus 2 cube. Now 2 plus 2 cube means that is a 2 plus 8, means that we are getting the 10, means here. Then same 3 plus 3 cube means that is a 3 plus 27, that is 30, we are getting the 30 here. So same here 4 plus 4 cube means 4 is a here, and the 4 cubes means 64, so that we are getting the 68, and 68 is here. So like this one, 5 plus 5 cube, so 5 plus 5 cube is a 125, so that is a 130, and this is given in option number 4. Now here question number 40, 81, 74, 71, 65 and then question mark. Now here the difference here 8 and the 1, these 2 digits, so that is a 7. So this 7 we have to deduct from this 81. So from 81, this 7 if we deduct, we are getting the next number, that is a 74. So now 74 means 7 and the 4, these are the 2 digits. So these 2 digits having the difference 3. So this 3 if you deduct from this 74, we are getting the next number, that is a 71. Now here 7 and the 1 having the difference 6. So 6 deduct from this 71, we are getting the next number, that is a 65. 6 and a 5 having the difference 1. So if we deduct this 1 from this 65, we are getting 64. So 64 is given in option number 1. Now question number 41. So this arrow, now this arrow and the line with a circle. So this arrow is moving these directions, means in clockwise direction, but that is a 90 and then plus this 45 degree, means that is we are seeing that is a 135 degree, and this no, these directions, that is a 135 degree, means that is a anti-clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise and this is in clockwise direction, but that is the one with 135. After this one, this is moving to the 135, means this position comes, and from this one 135 degree means in clockwise, that's this position comes. So same here, from this one 135 degrees, so it will becomes like this one, and this is given in option number 2, and this is rotating in clockwise with 135 degree, means these directions will be in this one, so means this one. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 42, A B C D. After this one, A is getting twice, so A B C D, then A and the B both are getting twice, so A B B and then C D. So in the next term, so C will be in a twice, so C is given in twice in option number 3. Question number 43, select the wrong term in the following series. So we have to find out the wrong terms. So here 7 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2, that is 14, and then minus 2 means this one, again we have to deduct from this one, so we are getting the 12. So this 12 is here. Then 7 multiplied by 3, so that is a 21, and then minus 2 we are getting the 19. So but here 20 is given. Then next is a 40, so 7 multiplied by this 6, so that we are getting the 42, and 42 minus 2 we are getting the 40, so here the 40 is there. Like this one, 7 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 11, so that is a 77, minus 2 we are getting 75, so that is here. Then 7 multiplied by 18 we are getting 126, and minus 2 we are getting 124, so that is here. So same here also, but this instead of this 19, the 20 number is comes, so that's why 20 is a different terms. Now question number 44, the sum of ages of 4 brothers 5 years back was 46 years. What is the sum of their ages after 5 years? So this is the back 5 years age totals. There are the 4 brothers, means of course any persons as the time goes, so their age is equally getting increases. Okay, so now there is a 5 years back, means their age also 5 minus each ones. Okay, but there are the 4s, means 4 multiplied by 5, that is a 20. So if we add here the 20, means that is a total age of the today's age, means that is a, we are seeing 66, but asking about the after the 5 means the next, so same we have to add this 20 in a 66, so that is a 86 years old. Okay, so 86 years, so that is given in option number 3. Then question number 45, radius of a circle is 6.2 centimeter. What is the length of the longest chord in this circle? We know the longest chord means that is a diameter, and diameter is 2 multiplied by of the radius. Okay, so 2 multiplied by radius is a 6.2, so that is a 12.4 centimeter. So 12.4 is given in option number 2. Now instruction for question number 46 to 50, find the odd man out. Now question number 46 here, patient, adventure, humanity and idle. So in this one, the patient, adventure and humanity are the noun, but idle is a adjective, so that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 47, well, tank and the lake and the river. So in this one, well, tank and the lake having the water in a steadily in a storage purpose or in a store like that one, but in a river water is not exactly in a storing, so that is in a flow, so that's why option number 4 is the different one. Now question number 48, in option number 1 in a Roman number, that is a 24, option number 3 having the 32, and option number 4 having the 64, but option number 2 is a no any Roman number cannot be calculated, because V and L are never comes, means before left hand in a left side of the L, V never comes, so that's why option number 2 is a different one. Then question number 49, so here the 4 equal parts of this square is form up, here also circles 4 parts are form up, then here also the rectangulars 4 equal parts is forming, but triangulars 4 equal part not formed. So that's why option number 3 is a different one. Then question number 50. Here 5750. Here option number 2 4750 means that is a 4750. Here 4750 and here 4750 means this number is all the having option 3, 2, 3 and 4 having the same number, but option number 1 is a different one. Now, question number 51. When a students in a class stand in a number of queues equal to the number of students in each queue, means that is in suppose number of queues, okay, and whatever the number of queues are there, that number of students also in a one queues, means we can say that is a in square formats, okay. So, but there is a after this comma, two students are left, means when the two students are the left, this equalization is formed. So what is the minimum number of the students in this class? So means we can say, so something means this number multiply by this number. Suppose this is a something number, okay, so and here also something numbers. So after this one we have to add the 2 because that 2 we have to left out, okay. So after this 2 left out, then this square formation is there. Now in option number 1, this 83, so 83 also 81 plus 2 means this is a fulfilling. So means how many number of the students there? So that is a 83. So this can be fulfilled means 9 and the 9, okay. So this can be fulfill our condition, but 39 cannot be because after the 36 this square number there is the additions of the 3. So that's why this is incorrectly. Now here 100 plus 2, this condition is forming, and in this one the 10 by 10 means 10 by 10, 10 rows and the 10 queues and 10 students in a queues. So that is also fulfilled. So 105 also can be okay. And here 51 means that is a 49 plus 2 means 7 square is the 49. So means 7 students in a row, and that there are the total 7 row queues are there. So this also can be fulfilled, but the condition is minimum number of students in a class. Now minimum means which is a minimum. Now 39 is a cannot be possible. This is not our fulfill condition. So that's why from option number 1, 3 and the 4 minimum is a 51. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 52. From the flowers in a basket, number of garlands each of 4 flowers or 5 flowers or 6 flowers are made. There are 2 flowers or 3 flowers or 4 flowers left out. How many flowers are there in a basket? So this is very, very important, means even 51 and the 52, these are the very important. Now 4 flowers, or this or means that is a condition, it's not a means perfect, it may be, okay. Here also or, okay, means either 4, either 5 or 6, anything can be with this flowers, any garland can be made, okay. So what we will do, we will better really make the LCM of this one, means 4, 5 and 6. So 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. So simply we will do the multiplication. Now 4 multiplied by 5 that is a 20, and 20 multiplied by 6 that is 120. Now but the condition another is there are the 2 flowers or 6 flowers or 4 flowers left out. So means suppose from this 120, so we will do the 4 flowers that we will deduct. So means here 120 minus 4, so that we are getting the 116. Here the 5 flower we will deduct means 120 minus this 5 flower, that is 115. And here 6 flowers means before this one there is a 114. Now the respectively here 2 flowers are left out, means 116 plus 2 we are doing, that is we are getting 118. Same things, these 3 flowers remaining means after this one if we are adding the 3, so we are also getting the 118. Here also 4 flowers are remaining left out, means that is the remaining. So here we have to add the 4, we are getting the 118, means here also 118, here also 118 and here also 118, and any condition can be formed up, okay. Means if 4 flowers is with the 4 flowers garland if we make, then the 2 flowers will remaining because there is a total 118. And after this one, the 4 means 116 is consumed to make the garlands, so these two will be left out or remaining. So same here also and here also, means this number can fulfill our all the conditions. So that's why option number uh, 4 is the correctly. But if you check after 124, after 120 there is a 128, so this can be directly divisible by the 4, means there is a remainder 0, so this cannot be fulfill this 4 flowers remaining. Okay, so and after this one 78, so 78 can be divisible by the 5 flowers, but after this one the 2 flowers is remaining need, but here the 3 flowers is required, but because 75 is take out, then 3 flowers is remaining, but so this cannot be fulfilled the these conditions. And even 4 also if we divided, so there is only 2 is balance, but after the for the 6 flowers and the 5 flower, this condition cannot fulfill, so that's why 78 also cannot, and same for 108 also. So only 118 this number can be fulfill our conditions. Now question number 53, Amar is facing to the southwest. So now south west, this is east, south, and this is a west. So in between this one, this is south west. Okay, south and the west. He turns through his right angle 3 times to his right side. Now if he facing here, means his right side is here and left side is here. Now he is turning 3 times right angles. 3 times right angle means this is a 1 time, now this is a 2 time, and now after this one this is a 3 times. Okay, now he is facing to this means southeast directions after this turning. Okay, then again he turns through 135 degree to his left side. Now after this one his right side will be here and the left side will be here, because he is facing to these directions. Now he is turning to the left side, means these directions, but with a 135. Now this is a 45 and then 90 degree, means now he is facing to north. Okay, then in which direction is his right hand? Now if he facing here, means his right hand is here and the left hand is here. Now right hand is to the east, so to the east means option number 2 is a correct one. Now, question number 54. Golden Jubilee of an organization was celebrated on February 10th, 2016, which was Friday. When will the Diamond Jubilee will celebrated? So, Golden Jubilee means that is a 50 years. Okay, and Diamond Jubilee means that is a 60 years. Okay, means if this 50 years is celebrated on 10th February 2016 on a Friday, then in the next 10, because 60 minus 50, that is a 10 years. So for the next 10 years, so means to the 2026. So in between these ones, how many leap years? So this already 2016 is a one, then 2020 is a second, then 2024 is the third. So there are the total 3 leap years, means this 3 we have to add, and then this 10. So 10 plus this 3, so we are getting that is a 13. So in a weekdays there are the 7, so we have to deduct this 7, so there are the remaining 6 days. So 6 days we have to go from this Friday. So if we count from the Friday 6 days, means that is a Thursday, means in the next week of the Thursday, because Friday to Friday there are the 7 days, but we have to count the 6 days. So means Thursday will comes, means which is a option number 3 is a correct one. Then question number 55. A person has to pay rupees 15 per day as a charges of swimming in a pool. My brother and myself. Now here my brother and myself means 2 persons. Okay, went for the swimming from April 15th to June 12th every day. What is the total amount we paid? Now here the charges for the 1 person. Okay, a person, but here the 2 persons is went for the swimming. Now first we will count the number of the days. So here in April there are the total 30 days. From the 30 days we have to deduct 14, because this 15th also they are went. So before the 15th, that is a 14. So if we deduct this 14 from the 30, so we are getting that is a 16. So and then May having the all the days means 31 days, and then June having only 12th, up to the 12th they are going for the swimming. Okay, so then this addition means 6 plus 1 plus 2, that is a 9, and here 1 plus 1 and then 3, that is a 5. So that now 59 days they are went for the swimming. Now one day having the 15 rupees per day for per person. So now for the two persons mean that is a 30. So we have to multiply with the 30. So this 0 as it is. Now 3 nines are, that is a 27 to balance or carry. Now 3 fives are 15 plus this 12, so that is a 17. So means rupees 1770 will be the total they have to pay. So means option number 2 is a correctly. Now question number 56. Which number replace the question mark in a adjoining figure? Now here 7 having opposite number 296. Now 7's cube and minus 7 square, if we do means, now 7's cube is a 343 minus 7 square is a 49, we are getting 294. Same 9's also means 9's cube number minus 9's square number, if we are deducting means that is a 9's cube number is a 729 minus this 81 is a square of this 9, we are getting 648. And here also 5's cube number minus 5 square number, so 125 is a 5's cube number minus 100 is a 5 square number, we are getting this 25, and 25 is this sorry, this 25, here 25, so 100 is comes, and this 100 is maintained opposite of this 5. So same for the 3's cube minus 3's square, so 3's cube is a 27 minus 3 square is a 9, so this is a 18 comes, so 18 will replace to the question mark, and 18 is given in option number 3. Now instruction for the question number 57 and 58. Observe the following Venn diagram and answer the questions based on it. Now question number 57. How many doctors who are not author are lawyers? Now doctor means this circle, okay, but who are not author, not author means this and this and this cannot be checked, but are lawyers means only 9, and because this circle, so 9 is in option number 3. Now question number 58. By how much is the number of doctors who are farmers, doctors? Now farmers means this one 8, okay, greater or lesser than the number of doctors who are authors. Now who are authors? Now these are not the authors. Author means this 7 and the 12, so 7 plus this 12, so that is a 19, and we have to find out the difference. So this is a lesser, okay, than this one, so greater should not become, so lesser. So but how much later, sir? So we have to find out the difference, so that is a 11, so lesser than 11, so this lesser than 11 means option number 2 is a correct one. Now instruction for question number 59 to 62. Find the term that matches exactly to the group of the terms in each question below. Now question number 59. Salt, shell, fish. So in this one, these are the natural resources from the oceans, okay, but this lighthouse is a man-made, and this is not a natural resources from the ocean, so that's why option number 2 is a different one. Now question number 59 here. Salt, shell, and the fish. So these are the natural resources which we are getting from the oceans. So natural resources in this one, coconut is not from the ocean, lighthouse also man-made, not in ocean, and ship also man-made. So option number 4, pearl, is a natural resources which we are getting from the ocean. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 60. Bay, gulf, and the creek. So these are the water forms, or we can say the formats of the water storing near to the sea coastals or near to the seashores, okay. So option number 1, straits, is not a near to the sea coastals or sea coast, or we can say the due to the this water forms. So option number 1 is the different one. Then question number 61. 5, 10 and 26. So now 5 means that is a 4 plus 1 and 4 means 2 square. So 10 means 9 plus 1, 9 is a square number. So here 26, that is a 25 plus 1. So 25 is a square number, means 5 squares. So like this one, so square number plus 1, if you want to find out, so that is we are getting 170, because that is a 169 plus 1 and 169 is a 13 square. So that's why option number 3 is a correct one, which is matches. Now question number 62. So here the Z life shapes and same shape is given option number 4. This option number 1 and the 3 having the different directions, okay, or orientation different, or we can say the mirror in a Z shapes. So these are not a correct one, but we are to find out the matches exactly. This shape is matches, but here the symmetry of this one means the symbols should be symmetrical, but here the this symbol and this symbol are the different one. Here the two lines, but here the only one line. So that's why option number 2 is incorrectly, but here symbols are correctly. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then instruction for question number 63 and 64. Select the answer figure that matches the question figure. So for question number 63, option number 4 is the correct one, and for question number 64, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 65, find the number which replaces the question mark in a given figure. So if you make all these numbers, means 11 is a smaller, so 11, and if you make the listing of here, so 6, 11, then 13 is there. After this 13 there is a 17, then after 17 there is a 23, after this 23 there is a 41, then 53, then 67, and then 83. So the difference here the 4, here the 2, sorry, here the 4, here 6, and then here the difference is much more. But here if you see 41 and the 53, here the difference is the 12, here 14, and the here 16, means 2, 4, 6, there should be 8, and after this there should be 10, and then 4, 12, 14, 16. So 41 minus 10, that is a 31, and 31 minus 8, that is a 23, means this is a perfectly in a series. So missing is a 31, so question mark can be replaced to the 31, and 31 is given in option number 4. Now question number 66, the sum of ages of 3 brothers is 45 years. So suppose the X, Y and the Z, these are the 3 brothers, so that is X plus Y plus Z, that is a 45. Then youngest brother age is youngest, now suppose this is a Z, so Z age is half of that middle brother, means that is a Y, so Y by 2. Then the eldest means that is a X, suppose eldest brother is older than by 5 years than the middle one, means that is a suppose X is equals to 5 years older, means that is by the middle one, so Y plus 5. Then how many years would the youngest, means this is a Z brother, need to reach to older brother's age, means that we can say that is the only difference, okay. So first of all we have to find out the X, Y and Z values. Now here this Z and this X, these are in terms of the Y, so we will put this one in this equation. So now X is equals to Y plus 5 plus Y as it is, then plus this Z's, this one we will put, means Y by 2 is equals to 45. So this 5 we will take out here, so this is positive, so this side will comes the negative, means 45 minus 5, and here 2Y plus Y by 2. So now we will make the denominator same, so 4Y plus Y by 2 is equals to this 40. Here division, so here multiplication, so 4Y and 1Y, so that is a 5Y is equals to, this will be the multiplication, mean that will be the 80, so Y is equals to 16. So now Y we are getting 16, so this 16. Now we have to find out the Z, so Z is a Y by 2, means that is a we are getting the 8, so Z is a 8, and now X is a Y is a 16, so 16 plus 5 means that is a 21, so that is a 21. Now we have to find out the difference in between this one, so means 21 minus this 8, we are getting the 13. So 13 years means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 67, how many semicircles are there in a adjoining figure? So semicircles means that is formed due to the diameter. So diameter, this is a 1. So here the two semicircles. Now diameter 2 means here also the two semicircles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And due to this diameter, there is a 5 and 6. Okay, 6 is another, there is no another diameter. So means 6 is given in option number 3. Now, question number 68. Raju's sister. So, Raju's sister, okay, this sister is Mina's maternal uncle. Means now sisters, another sisters, this Mina is a daughter, okay. Means Mina's maternal auntie is Raju's sister. That is the meaning. Now, how is Mina related to the Raju? So Meena is related to the Raju means that is a Meena is a niece of this Raju. So niece means option number 4. Now question number 69. What is the difference between the angles formed at clock 10 o'clock? So this is the 10 o'clock. So here the minute hand and here the hour hand. So this is the 11 in between this one, and then and the 5 o'clock. So another clock means that is a 5 o'clock here. So in every means 10 to 10, 10 to 11 and 11 to 12. So there are the in a circle of this clock there are the equal 12 parts, means from this 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the 12. So 360 degree is a completely angle of this clock divided by 12, means that is we are getting 30, means this one part is a 30 degree, but here are the two parts, means that is a 30 plus 30, there is a 60 degree is made at the 10 o'clock, and here the 5 parts. So 5 multiplied by 30, so that is a 150, and the difference in between this one means 150 minus 60, so that is a 90 degree. So 90 degree is given in option number 3. Now question number 70, how many right angles are there in adjoining figure? So these are the right angle here, these two lines, this line and this line, means 1, then this 2, then this 3 and 4. So these 4 quarters means that is a 4 right angles. Okay, so this 2, then 3 and then 4. After this one, this line and this line are perpendicular, so this is a 5 and this is 6. So these are the 6 right angles. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 71. In a code, monkey is called rabbit, rabbit is called fox, fox is called dog, dog is called wolf, and wolf is called monkey. Then who is the tame animal? Now tame means what? Tame is a, we can say that is a living with a human beings, or we can say that is a familiar with a human beings. Okay, others are the wild animals. So here the familiar with a human beings only is a dog. Okay, but dog is a wolf, so that's why wolf means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question for instruction for question number 72 and 73. In a code, BDK is write as these symbols, then KSR as this one, and DRK as like this one. So then for question number 72, how will you write BRKD in this code? So first of all, we have to find out the BDK and this KSR and this DRK's respective symbols. So we will compare these two, but here the no any common, but here and here. So the common is a D, here also the D, and the common symbol in this one is the square. So D is equals to square. Then in this two, common is a R, so here also R, and the common in this two is a this square and inside the cross. So here R is equals to this one. So here these two symbols is already D and R, means K is a this star, so K is star. So this K is a star here also, and this star here also. Okay, so now this is printing mistake, this should be the star. Then after this one D, we already know this one, so means the remaining B means this circle. So B is a small circle, and here the this D R we are getting this one. So R we know, no, this symbol is there. So this symbol and this symbols, but here the K and the R, But this is the R already we have gone, and this is a means this S is this one. So S is equals to this, inside the circle there is a star, and this K means actually here should be the star, or here should be the D possibly. So D should be there instead of the K. Now we already get this one, D, R, K, B and S. So now as per this one, B means this symbol. So in option first this B is circle circle circle, but option number 3 is incorrectly. Then R means this symbol. So this symbol is correctly given in option number 1, 2, but option number 4 is a different one. Then after this one K, so K means this star. Here some printing mistake is there. So K means somewhere this one gives. So means here also same things is given. So this is K, and the D means K is this one and the D is this one. So means option number 2 is correct, but this is not in arrangement. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct one. So this K means this star, and this D means this square. So option number 1 is a different one, but in a not in exactly in the same sequence, but in different sequence. The these symbols are covered in option number 2. So option number 2 is a correct one. Then how will you write R, S, M and then M? So now M is here different alphabet which is not listed here. So from out of this all the symbols, here the different or new symbols mean that is we can say this is a M. So option number 3 is a correct one. And if you matching this R and the S, so this S is this symbol is given, and this R this symbol also given. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 74. Sanjay wished to participate in a drawing competition, but he is shy to say it to his teachers. What will you do as a class monitor? So you will request teacher to support him. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 75. You are driving a bicycle. By looking at the red signal at a chalk, what will you not do? So here, wait before zebra crossing, yes, you will do it. Here, allow pedestrians to cross the road, yes, you will do this one. Drive the bicycle without stopping, so this you should not be do. So means option number 3 is the correct one. And here, drive the bicycle when the signal is green, yes, you will do this one, but when the green signal is given, so means you will do this one, but this you should not be do, means because here asking you will not do, so you should not be do that, drive the bicycle without stopping. So option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.